Hi guys, got a basic plumbing job to do here. The hot tap quite often leaks when you turn it off, which means the seal or the seat of the valve probably needs a little bit of refacing. I've got a tool to do that with. At the same time, my wife's rather keen to change to this sort of tap top. So while I've got it off, it's just a simple matter of screwing the new ones in place. So first thing I've got to do is get underneath, because we've got stopcocks on both pipes that just need a screwdriver turn to turn them off. First thing I'll do is just check that I can undo these heads. Well, that's alright. Sometimes they're corroded in place and you can't shift them. That's okay, so I need a Phillips head or crosshead screwdriver to loosen the tops. Right, happy I've got the right tools for doing that part of the job. I'll now crawl underneath and turn the stopcocks off. Right, a little bit dusty down here, but you can see the two stopcocks there, or valves. Let's turn that one off. Well, the valve on this side, which is the cold water side, looks like it's been well abused and I can't turn it. So I've had to turn the cold water off at the main stopcock in the house. So, hot and cold should be turned off. That looks okay. That's one. Two. Right. It's not going to come off easy. Neither's that. So we're going to have to clamp them. Got an adjustable wrench here. You want to be careful if you're going to do something like this, because you'll damage the surface. Now, I'm taking these off and getting rid of them and replacing them, so I'm not too worried about that. Suitable size spanner. Okay, and this is the one I want to just reseat the valve. So this little tool will actually just take the surface off the top of the valve. Shouldn't need to do very much because you're just resurfacing it. In fact, that's probably more than enough. Not sure if the camera will pick it up, but that's a nice shiny surface in there now. So that should give the rubber washer a better seat. Now we'll put these on. I've just had a debate with my wife which way we actually want them pointing. Do we want them off in that position or off in that position? Now at the moment we're going to go for off, pointing straight ahead, but we may well change our minds and I'll have to reposition them that way. Right, the top is just a push fit so we can get to the screw. Just in case I accidentally drop the screw down there. Make sure that when you're going to put it in there, it's in the fully open position. If you put it in there when it's closed, you won't be able to screw it down properly. Now the decision time. How are we going to fit this? That's fully open at the moment. That's closed. Open, closed. Open, closed. We'll try it like that. I'm not happy because it's not lining up perfectly. But we'll see how we get on. Open, closed. I think. I'll turn that valve back on and check it. Alright, valve's back on and it's not running. Yeah, not entirely happy with that idea, but we'll see how we get on with it. Alright. Cool, he's stiff. just show you inside that one. You see that's quite dull in there, so I'll just face that one as well. Right, there we go, nice and shiny now. You may have noticed on both of these taps the actual this part of the tap moved slightly as I was using the spanner. It's a good idea to keep hold of it, but if you have moved it, then you'll probably need a tool like this one. I can get it out the bag, to reach up underneath to tighten the nut that's on the other end of the tap, holding it to the bottom of the sink. Right, so we're fully open, and that's closed. Open, closed. Yeah, not entirely happy with this. Not quite happy with the look of it. I might have to get underneath and retighten that as well. I'll go and put the turn the main stopcock back on so we can check that it works. Okay, water's back on. We'll just have to see if my wife likes it.